Hey Levi, this is Tyler with Leads by Lordi. I wanted to make this video for you and just give you a couple tips that you can implement right away to start outranking some of your competition online and bringing in business consistently. So I have your website pulled up here and I love the colors. It looks great. You offer some great services here and roofing and gutters and different things. And I learned a little bit about your business kind of scrolling down. It's a great layout. You got some great reviews here, sliding images, and you've got your get a quote, which is very nice. So like I said, really nice layout. But the first thing I want to talk about is content. And with Google, content's king. They like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words on the home page. And then as far as your service pages, anywhere from 500 to 1,000 words. And what that's going to allow you to do is rank for specific keywords that people are typing into Google all the time to search for businesses like yours and services that you offer. So I pulled up a report of your website in a tool I utilize called Ahrefs, and it just shows some data of your site, such as the rank, backlink information, and keywords. All right, so we're only ranking for one keyword, so we can take a look and see what that is. Looks like EBK contractors. So nothing really beneficial here. Maybe it's a new site, but what I did was I pulled up the same reports for a couple competitors just so you can see what's working for them and then how you can do the same. So I went over to Google, and I'll head back first. I typed in Seattle roofing companies. Okay, I skipped the ads, I skipped the map pack for now, and we came right down here to Guardian Home. All right, so this was one of the first results, as you saw. We're going to get rid of this message here. And as we scroll down their page here, it looks like this is their Seattle roofing page. All right, they've got a good bit of content as we're going down here. So you would definitely want to go after these guys and beat out their content. So maybe, close to 2,000 words on your homepage, maybe 1,500. All right. But this is what theirs is. They've got their quote form up top, so I would definitely recommend that as well. So when someone gets to your site, they can fill out their information right away and they don't have to scroll too far. Now, like I said, I pulled up a report of this website, and as you can see, the metrics are a lot different. Their rank's pretty good here. They're ranking for 82 keywords, and look at all this traffic that they're bringing in. So if we click these keywords, we can find out, exactly what they're focusing their content around. And we see here roof Seattle, 200 searches a month in Google, roofing contractor Seattle 100, roofing Seattle WA 100, roofing Seattle 100. So a lot of good keywords here. Seattle roofing companies 250. So a lot of volume, right? People are typing in those terms into Google to find roofing services in your area a lot. Okay, and these guys are bringing in a ton of the traffic for it. So you can see the traffic here, and it's really because they're in that first, second, third, fourth, fifth position for a lot of these keywords. So you can see the difference it'll make between being, on that first spot and even the 10th spot or not even on the first page at all. All right, and then going back to the overview for them, I'll talk about backlinks really quick. Okay, a backlink, it's really just a vote of confidence. It's a link from one site to another. And what it does is it passes power and trust and it boosts up your rank. So Google uses a ton of different ranking factors to, rank sites accordingly on their web or on their search engine. Okay, and content and backlinks are definitely two of the biggest ones. So really focusing in on those keywords throughout your website, and then, adding in quality backlinks is definitely going to, boost up your rank. And this site has 59 sites pointing back to theirs, and it's giving them 451 backlinks. Okay, and these are really just those power and trust metrics that I talked about. Okay, pushing their site up. And then the next company I looked at was this one here, and we'll head back to the Google search so you know exactly what I typed in. And we saw here gutter cleaning Seattle. Again, I skipped all this. We came down here, we skipped Yelp, and went to the first business that we found. And we have here gutter cleaning Seattle. This is actually looks like an overall page with a bunch of different businesses. Let's skip that one. Skip Angie's List. Here it is, Johnny Tsunami. I love the name actually. But we clicked on this one. Johnny Tsunami Exterior Cleaning Experts. So they do roof cleaning, gutter cleaning, moss removal, pressure washing, and window cleaning. All right, but this is definitely a competitor, for those gutters. They've got an okay amount of content on this site, but you can definitely beat them out. Let's just go right into their report now. This is just their Seattle gutter cleaning back page that was ranking, right? So they're only ranking for 23 keywords here. But let's take a look. Gutter cleaning Seattle. That's actually surprising, but it's bringing in 150 searches a month. I can't believe that many people are searching for gutter cleaning, but obviously it's a good niche to be in. And they're bringing in some traffic for that. They're bringing in traffic for Seattle gutter cleaners, Seattle gutter cleaning, and it's just because they're in the top couple spots for that. So, being in the top couple spots, like I said, it's going to make a world of difference, because as we go down, the 6th spot, 20th spot, and so on, you see the traffic really starts to drop. So it's important to be in that top spot and really focusing in on those keywords that we just looked at, and then creating backlinks. That'll definitely do it for you. So we talked about content, we talked about backlinks. The last thing I'm just going to touch upon are citations. And a citation is your name, address, and phone number. And you list those in business directories online, such as Yellow Pages. Okay, and what that will do is help boost your Google My Business listing into the map pack. All right, so just like we want our website to be on the first page, and not only the first page, but the first couple of results, same thing with the map pack. All right, but first and foremost, you really want to optimize this listing. You want to add in a lot of pictures, save the pictures with keywords. You want to get more Google reviews. All right, you want a great description here. Google lets you use 750 characters, so max that out, put in some keywords. All right, and really just optimize this listing. That way, when we go over here and we type in gutter cleaning Seattle, or we go over here and we type in Seattle roofing companies, or really any of those keywords that we took a look at, we're going to come down here into the map pack, and we're going to get listed here because we optimized that Google My Business listing and because we added in those citations. And you would imagine that these guys right here, these 3 businesses, they're getting a lot of the website clicks and a lot of the phone calls, right? Because they're right here. There's no need to hit the view all button because we see these great reviews. We see the companies right here. So if you're not in the top 3 spots, you're not getting as much traffic. And it goes the same for the organic section, right? We talked about adding in content, adding in backlinks. That's what's going to get you here into the organic section. And we definitely want to get into these top couple spots. Okay. Now, if you have any questions at all, feel free to give me a call. I'd love to talk and brainstorm some ideas to, get you there. So my phone number is 267-885-3473. Again, my name is Tyler. You have my Facebook as well, and I'll talk to you soon.